based on character.
The servant leadership program which we have attended for the last 2 days was really awesome, and actually it has given a lot of insights to all of us. I would say that the program has a lot of jewels in it. Once you understand and practice, you know the value of each of them. Heartfelt thanks to Dr. Madana and Sarah who have coached us all through 2 days. Thank you.
Hey all, this is Vaishnavi and we are part of Nokia. So there was a workshop named Servant Leadership, which I felt in the initial conversation would be something like one another workshop which we have attended. But after the first day, I felt a little connected towards what are the practices that can be helping me in improving the values of the team and also working together, and how uplifting can help my team to produce good value addition to the Nokia vision as well. And there are a lot of connectivities between this workshop vision and also the Nokia's vision. So that is something which excited me more, and looking forward for the second day as well. So all the best for the team and also for us. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Yuraj, Program Manager, Nokia Solutions and Networks. The servant leadership program what we went through for the last 2 days definitely was not another leadership program, but that was a completely different perspective it has given. There are many takeaways that has actually changed the dynamics of how we think, how we treat and how we execute. Either it is in the organization or the personal growth or the organization or even the community. So it was, I would say, a wholesome leadership program which connects the self, the organization, the external community, and that way it was a very special and a connected program. On the other hand, this was not only gives things in the wordings, but toolkit form, how it was presented, was an additional new kind of thing which helps even in the future to go through. So in that way, this was again a different program to go through with. On overall, this was a very wholesome and a lot of takeaway from this program. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shalini from Nokia. Servant Leadership Program is a differentiated
interactive and innovative leadership program which has given an insight of the nuances about servant leadership. As rightly reiterated, change begins from ourselves. So this is rightly reinforced in this program, and I'm very happy to take away these insights into my day-to-day life. I'm sure I'll be able to implement the nuances of servant leadership in my day-to-day life to achieve organizational success and self-development. Thank you.
Hi, this is Madana Kumar, and I'm glad that you chose to view this video. If you would like to be part of this journey, which is transformative both at a personal level and at a professional level, do get in touch with us at Leadyne. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.